Hi everybody, welcome to the Disneyland Beat where our toes tap to a Disneyland drum.
And we always whistle while we work.
You know, it's nice to know what the best hotel pools around Disneyland are.
So today we're going to share our top 7 favorite hotel pools near Disneyland, the outdoor edition.
Please like, subscribe, and stick around.
Thanks for watching, Mouseketeers.
We appreciate it, and you.
Our favorite 7 outdoor hotel pools near Disneyland have some unique characteristics.
But we are always looking for a pool that is something special for the kids.
Yeah, something a little bit more than the average pool.
But also a pool that caters to things adults might like to do as well.
Like swim laps or enjoy a drink.
And let's not forget the fireworks show.
Now we keep saying summertime and outdoors, but with the local weather, these pools are open year-round.
And we will do a video on our favorite indoor pool options down the road.
We also wanted to note that with the COVID pandemic, you may have to make reservations to get a 2-hour window to actually use the pools at many of the hotels at the moment.
Which is good if you can plan in advance because it will keep the crowds down.
But it's bad because you have to plan in advance.
Okay, we're gonna start with the most average pool and end with the most exciting.
Our 7th favorite outdoor pool near Disneyland can be found at the Anaheim Hotel.
It's by far the simplest pool on the list, but this is also one of the most affordable hotels on the list.
And it offers great ambiance. The place has a really fun early 60s California style with large open courtyards, tall fan palms, and Frank Sinatra music playing in the background.
It is affordable and it has a huge Olympic-sized pool, just like the Disneyland Hotel had in the 1960s.
No slides or splash pads or anything on this one, but having a pool that huge can be really fun and convenient.
There is room for several games of Marco Polo all at once.
And social distancing, by the way.
Or maybe for the adults, you could swim laps.
And there is a small spa to the side.
And my personal favorite, you can order drinks from the lobby and get them delivered poolside.
The view of the fireworks at night is perfect.
It's one of the best around.
And the hotel is a super short walk to the park, probably the closest on this list.
Our 6th favorite outdoor Disneyland pool is at the Hilton Anaheim.
This hotel, just south of the convention center, offers not 1, but 2 pools.
Adjacent to the outdoor pool is a modest kids splash pad with a big splash bucket and tons of fountains.
You'll also find 2 outdoor hot tubs for relaxing muscles after long days at the theme parks.
An indoor pool with swimming lanes is a little more adult-oriented, especially during the summer.
The rates at this very nice hotel are reasonable because it is a bit of a longer walk than the others, but it's still very walkable. You just have to avoid major convention dates.
And even if the fireworks shows are not so good, both of the pools are really pretty great.
Our 5th favorite summertime hotel swimming pool near Disneyland is the Howard Johnson Anaheim.
They have a splash park called Castaway Cove.
It's pirate-themed and tons of fun for the little ones. There's one other hotel splash park near Anaheim that we'll get to next, and it got the edge because it has some slightly taller slides.
But this one might be a bit better for the under 4 set.
Castaway Cove has one larger S slide and a smaller kiddie slide.
The hotel also has another pool called the Garden Pool, which is a nice traditional swimming pool with great ambiance and nearby spas.
And of course, like the next hotel, it's just a hop away from the park.
Our 4th favorite hotel pool is the Courtyard Anaheim.
Like the Howard Johnsons, having water features at your hotel can be a really great addition to any Disneyland vacation.
It has the Surfside Water Park, and you will love the water slides, dump buckets, and swimming pools.
And to be honest, it's not exactly a park, it's not a whole day thing at all, but it does have an extensive splash pad, 2 larger 30-foot long water slides, and 4 smaller ones.
It is definitely enough to keep you entertained for several hours.
The younger set and the parents will particularly appreciate this one.
It is a lot of wet fun for sure.
It is a short walk to Disneyland, located just north of the Harbor Boulevard entrance.
Both of these hotels have fantastic views of the fireworks.
From more of a side angle.
But the Howard Johnson's rooftop fireworks view is the best.
And now we are to the Disney hotels, so firework views are a given here.
Our 3rd favorite Disneyland outdoor hotel pool is found on campus at the Paradise Pier Hotel.
Yeah, the Paradise Pier Hotel does not have any splash pad features, but with its awesome slide and chill pools, it's really a win for the older kids and the adults alike.
Although we were thinking about it, if we had a kid under 4, the last 2 off-site hotels might win over this next one. And a reminder, it is the most affordable of the Disneyland hotels and the furthest walk to the parks.
That's Disney affordable now, so it's kind of pricey.
Overall, we would say it has lots of Disney magic, and we have loved our stays at the Paradise Pier Hotel.
It has Disney amenities with cute rooms and on-site Disney character dining.
The Paradise Pier Hotel also has a rooftop pool complex that does a great job of keeping kids and the adults entertained.
The kids can ride the 186-foot roller coaster style water slide California Streamin' again and again. It's a whole lot of fun.
It is actually the tallest and longest of all the Disneyland hotel slides. But we did notice it is kind of narrow for a slide, so larger people will get some real speed going.
And it also has a nice main swimming pool separate from the water slide and a kiddie splash pool.
Perhaps our favorite feature is the rooftop cabana-style bar, the Sand Bar, that offers poolside service and reasonable private cabanas.
But also has incredible views of the Disneyland fireworks.
Our second favorite Disneyland hotel pool is the pool complex at the Grand Californian Hotel.
If you didn't know, this is Disneyland's flagship luxury hotel, and it is fairly expensive to stay at, with rooms ranging from $650 to thousands of dollars a night.
So, as you might expect, the hotel has a full-service luxury spa with amazing treatments. And the pool complex that everybody else gets to use is huge and impressive.
It features 3 pools.
The fountain pool, which has a super cute splashy turtle, is the first large pool you find when you enter from the hotel.
The Mariposa Pool, which is an Art Deco butterfly-themed pool with nearby whirlpools.
And the kids' favorite, the Redwood Pool, which features a respectably long 90-foot water slide that wraps around a redwood tree stump and is impeccably themed.
There are multiple smaller slides, whirlpools, benches, tables, and private cabanas, even little Mickey-shaped kiddie pool.
There are lots of hotel food options nearby, and it all happens just a stone's skip away from the theme park. It is an amazing spot.
And it all wraps around a beautiful redwood forest-themed area that offers lots of privacy despite the usual crowds. But our favorite outdoor Disneyland hotel pool is found at the Disneyland Hotel.
It just seems to have the most magic. The Disneyland Hotel is the original hotel on site at Disneyland.
The Grand Californian did not open until 2001, and the Paradise Pier used to be a third-party hotel called the Emerald Hotel until Disney bought it and changed it in 1995.
The Disneyland Hotel and pool have changed dramatically over the years.
It used to take up 60 acres.
Did you know it used to have its own lagoon themed to the Pacific South Seas?
You could rent a paddle boat.
No kidding.
And for a time after that, it had a fondly remembered walkthrough of waterfalls and koi ponds.
The waterfalls were lit at night, creating the original world of color called the Water Wonderland.
There were radio-controlled Jungle Cruise skipper boats that you could pilot around a pond.
And a Neverland-themed pool.
Water features have always been important at the Disneyland Hotel.
The current setup is fantastic and we think presents the best pool around.
Taking up pretty much the entire courtyard of the hotel towers, it features a central water slide tower flanked by 2 large pools.
The 2 central monorail-themed slides, one of which, the red slide at 180 feet, is the real deal and lots of fun to ride again and again.
The yellow slide is 80 feet long and a nice intermediate ride.
And the whole area has lots of splash and waterfall features with smaller kiddie slides and Disney magic.
The largest pool is called the E-Ticket Pool, which is huge and it has a really cool shape to it and it's fun to explore.
The other pool is the D-Ticket Pool and is slightly smaller.
Hence the name.
And it's a bit more oriented to swimming laps, but it's also nice for a dip.
It goes under a bridge, which is a lot of fun.
And nearby the D-Ticket Pool are the Mickey and Minnie shaped whirlpools.
And of course, the expansive poolside area offers lots of little spots to find some privacy.
As well as fantastic food from the Tangaroa Terrace and famous Trader Sam's.
Well, folks, that's it for today.
This sure makes me want to go on vacation.
And hopefully we will be able to find a way to get through this health crisis and get to doing that.
And when the time comes, now you know which hotel pool you will want to visit.
Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will keep creating the best videos that we can.
Hey, Mouseketeers, please take care of yourselves and each other.
Be kind.
We are so grateful for all of our subscribers. Thank you so much.
Until next time, see you real soon.
We'll see you real soon.